So in this lecture we discuss on reflection about any axis y is equal to mx plus b. First of all, in reflection operation or mirror, we simply reflect or mirror the object according to our requirements. Now here let's take this is our line y is equal to mx plus b and this is our object. Now we want to reflect or mirror this object about this line. So this is our original shape. Now first we move this line to the origin, means we perform the translation operation. Then we rotate this line up to the x-axis. So x-axis is meshing with the line and we get this rotation. Then we reflect this object about the x-axis or with reference to the x-axis. So we get this position of the object, means here we perform the reflection or mirror operation. Now we move back to the rotation. So we here apply the inverse rotation. So we get this position of the line and this is position of our object. Now next we move back to the original position. So we get final position of this object. This is our original position of the object and this is our final position of the object. Means we reflect this object with respect to the line. So if we write down this whole operations in matrix form, then we say that first of all is original shape means P or coordinates of the rectangle. Then we perform the translation means T. Then rotation means R. Then reflection or mirror means M. Then inverse rotation means R inverse. And then translation inverse means inverse translation. Here we perform the clockwise rotation. We perform the clockwise rotation. Now let's take one example. Consider a triangle ABC having coordinates A55, B85 and C510. Determine new vertex position if it is mirror about line y is equal to 2x plus 4. Now first of all we write down the given data. Here coordinates are given 55, 85 and 510. Then line equation is given y 2x plus 4. So here we first of all put x is equal to 0. So we get 0.04, means line is intercept at on y-axis at 4. So this is our line equation 2x plus 4, means line is 4 distance away from the origin. Now we know that y is equal to mx plus c, basic equation of the line, and our given equation is y is equal to 2x plus 4. So if we compare these two equations, then we write down m is equal to 2 is equal to tan theta, means theta is equal to tan inverse 2. So we get the slope is 63.435 degree. Now we write down the basic equation to get the mirror about the line. So this is our basic equation. Now we simply put the data in this equation. Now we know that triangle coordinates is given. So we write down this 551, 851, 510, then translation. So we know that translation is given by this equation 100,010 dx dy1. So we simply put here line is 4 distance away from the origin. So we require to move this line to the origin, means simply put ty is equal to -4 and tx is not given, so tx is 0. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 -4 1. Now rotation. Here we perform the rotation in clockwise direction. So we write down the rotation formula. Now rotation formula is given by cos theta sin theta 0 minus sin theta cos theta 0 0 0 1 for anti-clockwise rotation, but here we perform the clockwise rotation. So simply put cos into bracket the minus theta, sin in the bracket minus theta 0 minus sin in the bracket minus theta cos in the bracket minus theta 0 0 0 1. So here theta is given, so we simply put cos minus 63.4 sin minus 63.4 0 minus sin in the bracket minus 63.4 cos minus 63.4 0 0 0 1. Now mirror. So we know that equation for the mirror means mirror about x-axis is given by 1 0 0 1 0 0 minus 1. So here we use 3 by 3 homogeneous matrix. So we write 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 1. So simply use this formula here. Now rotation inverse means this is anti-clockwise, so this is clockwise, so here we put the equation for the anti-clockwise. So cos 63.4 sin 63.4 0 minus 63.4 cos 63.4 0 0 0 1. Now translation inverse. So this is given by 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 4 1. Now first of all we multiply these two matrix. Here both these matrix are 3 cross 3. So first of all we write down this all matrix and multiplication of this matrix is given by first of all we write down this matrix, then this, then this, then this, and multiplication of this two matrices is 0.048 0.894 0 minus 0.894 0 0 0.4480 041. Now we multiply these two matrix. Now these two matrix are also 3 cross 3 means 3 row and 3 column. So we multiply these two matrix and we get this answer. Similarly, so after multiplying we get 551 851 5101 100 010 0 minus 41. Now multiplication of these two matrix is given by minus 0.6 0.8 0 0.8 0.6 0 041. Similarly, after the all the multiplication is done, we get minus 2.2 8.61 minus 4 11 1 1.8 11.61. So we say that our final position after the mirror or reflection is given by A dash is equal to minus 2.2 8.6, B dash is minus 4 11, C dash is 1.8 11.6. Thank you.